Do you want to apply 90% off using VidIQ promo code? You can get a VidIQ discount code with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. To get 90% off with a VidIQ promo code, first, click on the link in the description box below. You can only get the discount through this special link. After clicking the link, you're on the VidIQ website homepage. Click the Sign Up for Free button and create a new account using your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete registration. After completing registration, you will see this type of screen. Click on Upgrade, located on the left side of the screen. On the payment page, choose the 1-month plan. Below this, click on Add Promo Code. Now, enter the coupon code here in the box. To get a 90% discount, add Creator 90. After entering the code, click Apply to activate the discount. You will now see the price updated with the 90% discount applied, and you only have to pay $1.90 instead of $19. If this coupon code is not working for you, you can try Save 50, Overs 35, Let's Grow, or Welcome 50 coupon code. Now, enter your payment card details and click on the Pay Now button. You'll now get full access to your selected VidIQ plan at 90% off for the applicable billing period.